everyone, welcome to my channel Study with Soumya. I hope you all are well and safe and your preparation for upcoming TCS NQT exam is going well. In this video, I am going to discuss TCS coding question that was asked in NQT October exam. So make sure to watch the complete video. Also do subscribe this channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Do like this video, share this video with your friends. Guys, there is a wonderful news for all of you that I have created my own telegram channel that is placement फोड़ेंगे and seriously guys इस बार placement सबको लेके रहना है तो make sure कि आप वो channel को join कर लो. The link for the channel is given in the description itself so you can check it from there. Happy learning. Let's see the coding question now. So the question says an string or character array containing 5 mobile numbers is provided. Verify these 5 mobile numbers and identify valid as well as invalid numbers. Any mobile number less than or greater than 10 digits or any characters is considered as invalid. Write a code which will generate report on count of total number of invalid mobile numbers. A valid mobile number M should be digit of length 10 with all numeric digits. Do not use any input message. Directly accept mobile numbers one after other as input and enter Q, that is a small q or capital Q, to stop taking input. So this question was asked in TCS NQT October exam. Right, so what they are basically trying to say, let me show you an example. So basically an array, an string or character array that is having 5 mobile numbers is given. For example, here we can see that. So they have clearly mentioned that the array should be having 5 mobile numbers only, right? So here also we are having 5 mobile numbers and also we have to enter small q or capital Q to stop taking input. So here we have these mobile numbers. Now they have mentioned a condition for invalid mobile numbers. What is the condition? That the numbers whose length is greater than 10 are invalid and the numbers having any sort of character are invalid. So basically what you have to do in the output we have to determine the count of total numbers of invalid mobile number. For example, in this here you can see this number, that is 99925687999, the length is greater than 10, it is invalid. This number having capital A, right, so this is also invalid, and this number having capital B, this is also invalid. So in total we are having 3 invalid mobile numbers. A note is also given that output should be in format integer. If user enter set of mobile numbers containing less than 5 or more than 5 values, so the values should not be less than or more than 5. If it is the case, so you have to simply display input limit is 5, right? So this is the kind of program that they have asked in NQT October exam. I hope you understood the program. Now let us see the approach and implementation using Python. Okay, so here we are. So let's take a list mobile. The list will store the mobile numbers one by one. Now let's put a condition while true. So we have to take input from the user up to the time the user is not giving small q or capital Q. So num equal to input. Also they have mentioned that input should be of string type, that's why I am not mentioning any kind of typecasting here, right? Now here you have to check that if num equal is small q or num equal capital Q. So if this is the condition, in that case what we have to do, we have to just break the loop, right? Okay guys, I have one question for you. I have put this semicolon here. So is this an error in Python? Just let me know your answer in the comment box. This is a question for all of you. Okay. Next thing is that if this is not the case, so what we have to do, we will simply add this input value to our list mobile, right? So mobile dot append num. Okay. Now after coming out of this loop, what we will check that if length of our list mobile is not equal to 5, then what we have to simply print input limit is 5. So print input limit is 5, right? So this is the thing. Else, if this is not the case, so what we have to do, let's take a counter variable c and initialize it with 0, right? Let me take it here. So this is our counter variable. This counter variable c will tell us the number of invalid mobile numbers, right? So now here we will run a loop for I in range length of mobile. Here we will check that if ith element of the list mobile is not a digit, that is, for example, we were having a number having a, b, c, these sort of characters. So if this is the case, each digit. Or next condition was that if the length of mobile I is not equal to 10. So if any of these conditions are true, not equal to 10, in that case what we will do, we will increment the value of our counter variable, that is c, and after coming out of this loop we will simply print the value of c, and that's it, right? So I hope you understood the question. Let's run our code. So here is our input number. You can see here I have taken this capital A, so this is not a valid number. Here I have taken capital C, so this is not a valid number. And here the length of number is greater than 10, so this is also not a valid number. So in total 3 numbers are not valid. I don't want to take further input, so that's why I am giving Q as the input. And you can see we are getting 3 as the output, right? So this was the simple code that was asked in TCS and QT October exam. I hope you understood the code. Make sure to subscribe this channel and join the Telegram channel Placement 4ing A. And guys, keep learning. Do subscribe this channel. Bye bye.